Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In the last uploaded video, we already showed how to draft, cut and sew this shirt, and in this tutorial we are going to be showing you how to fix your band and how to attach your rope to it. So let's get straight to the tutorial. So guys, to fix your band, the first thing you want to do is to put back your pattern piece together. That is the pocket we cut out earlier. Okay, so if you actually want to know how we did this, kindly watch the videos we've uploaded before on this short tutorial. So what I'm going to do right now is to mark 1.5 inch from my waistline. I'm going to mark that all the way down, then roll it. I'll repeat the same thing for the back panel. After marking the band length, what I did next was to cut this out and label each panel, because if you don't do that, it's going to look quite confusing. So I'm going to cut this out and I'm going to label both the back panel and the front panel before we transfer to our fabric. So guys, after cutting this out, I went ahead to mark an arrow. Okay, this is going to signify our side seams for both panel. The next thing I did was to place my fabric in fold. Okay, I folded this in 4 and I added my side seam allowance. For the side seams, I added 1 inch. Then for the upper and the lower side, I added 1/2 inch each. All right, so I went ahead to cut this out, making sure I have 4 pieces for both the front and the back band. Okay, so the back has 4 and the front has 4, making a total of 8. So let me cut this out immediately. So guys, I've gone ahead to cut out the front and the back band. Okay, so can you see what we have? This is 4 pieces. Okay, and it's also the same for the back. So right now we are going to go ahead and start stitching our bands on the shirt. So this is our shirts already sewn together, and this is where we are going to be fixing our band. All right, so let me go straight to show you what we should be doing next. So I went ahead to separate this, and we are going to be locking this area, the place we marked as the arrow. Okay, that signifies the center. That's the center front and the center back. So I've done that both for the back panel and the front panel. The next thing I'm going to do right now is to add them up. So I'm going to open it up and I'm placing the front band and the back band together, and I'll stitch here and this area as well, and I'll do the same thing for the lining piece. Now please kindly know that I had to label the back to be able to know which one belongs to the back. Okay, so I already placed this together, making sure the back panels meet each other, and I'll take it to my sewing machine and I'm going to sew it all round. Please, while sewing this round, make sure each sewn parts are meeting each other. Okay, so once I'm done, I turned this over and I took it to my ironing table to iron it, folding 1/2 inch all round. Okay, both for the lining piece and the band piece. Can you see this? I already ironed it and I folded 1/2 inch both for the lining piece and for the main band. Okay, so I'm going to turn this over and take it to my shirt. The next thing to do right now is to fix your band to the shirt. So kindly note, I'm placing this, making sure the right side of my fabric for the band is facing the wrong side of my fabric for the shirt. Okay, so look at what I'm doing here. I'm placing this, I'm going to be stitching on that 1/2 inch we ironed earlier. Now I'm making sure the center back, the center front and the sides are meeting each other, both for the band and for the shirt. Then I went ahead to sew it round. So once we are done doing that, can you see how it's looking like? Even for the sides as well, can you see how it's looking? The stitched parts are all meeting each other. Now if you're actually using an elastic, all you have to do is to flip this over then take it to your sewing machine as well and stitch on this line, making sure you're leaving just 1 inch. Okay, you leave 1 inch to insert your elastic, but because we're making use of a rope, all I did was to mark where my eyelet is going to sit. Then I brought my soldering iron and I created a hole there. Okay, so make sure the hole you're creating is enough to size your eyelet. Okay, you don't want it too big or too tiny. So I've gone ahead to fix this. I'm putting the eyelet already, and once I'm done fixing the eyelet, I'll take it to my revert machine and put this down together. Now if you're actually using an elastic for your waistline, remember I asked you to leave, when you're sewing around your waistline, all you have to leave is just 1 inch. Okay, so if you're using an elastic, make sure the elastic you're going to be encasing is the same measurement as your waist circumference. So after fixing the eyelet, I've gone ahead to lock the waist all around. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is to insert my rope. So right now I'm going to be inserting my rope, and the length of my rope is ×2 of my waist circumference. All right, and I made use of a small safety pin to help me pass this rope through the waistline. So guys, this is what our short looks like even with the rope, right? So for the elastic, we're going to upload a detailed tutorial on how to use an elastic while making your short. So guys, this is the end of the video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up if you've got value. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.